In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove birthdays from your Google Calendar. This can be incredibly helpful if you find that your calendar is cluttered with birthdays you'd rather not have displayed, or if you're simply organizing your digital life a bit more efficiently. Let's dive into the simple steps you can take to keep your schedule focused and free from unwanted dates. First, we'll tackle the most straightforward method, hiding the birthdays calendar altogether. Start by opening Google Calendar on your computer. Once it's open, direct your attention towards the left sidebar, which conveniently houses your calendar lists. Under sections labeled either My Calendars or Other Calendars, you'll find an option labeled Birthdays. All you have to do is uncheck the box next to it. This action swiftly hides all birthdays from your view, making your calendar cleaner and easier to read without permanently deleting any data. Now, for those enduring a more persistent issue where birthdays are appearing because they're synced from your Google contacts, we have another approach. You'll need to remove these birthdays directly from your Google contacts. Open Google Contacts and take a look through your list to find any contact with a birthday you'd rather not have displayed. Once you've found them, click to edit the contact's information, look for the birthday field, which might require a little scrolling, then go ahead and remove that piece of information. Don't forget to save your changes to ensure they take effect. After doing this, return to Google Calendar and give the page a refresh. You should see those birthdays gone from your calendar, leaving you with only the events you need. These steps are designed to make maintaining your Google Calendar as seamless as possible. Hiding the birthdays calendar allows you to quickly declutter without making any permanent deletions. On the other hand, editing Google Contacts lets you remove specific birthdays that you no longer wish to be reminded of. By selecting the method that best suits your needs, or using both in combination, you can have full control over what appears on your calendar. Remember, a clutter-free calendar can lead to a clutter-free mind, giving you more room to focus on what truly matters. By following these simple instructions, you're just a few clicks away from a more streamlined digital life. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more efficient organization tips.